Are you looking for woodworking projects that can transform the look of your living spaces? Wood has long been regarded as one of the most popular materials for furniture, a status it has maintained for centuries across various cultures and regions. This enduring preference stems from a multitude of factors that encompass aesthetic appeal, functionality, sustainability, and historical significance. Understanding why wood is the most widely used furniture material requires an exploration of these diverse aspects and their interplay in contemporary society. One of the primary reasons wood remains a favored choice for furniture is its natural beauty. The aesthetic qualities of wood are unmatched. Each piece possesses a unique grain pattern, color, and texture that adds character and warmth to any space. From the rich tones of mahogany to the light hues of maple, the variety of wood species offers a wide palette for designers and consumers alike. This inherent beauty makes wooden furniture not just functional, but also a form of artistic expression, capable of enhancing the overall ambience of a room. Moreover, wood has a warmth that synthetic materials often lack. The tactile quality of wood invites touch, creating a sense of comfort and familiarity in living spaces. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to transform your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In a world increasingly dominated by cold, hard surfaces, wooden furniture provides a welcoming contrast, contributing to a cozy, inviting atmosphere. This emotional connection to wood can influence purchasing decisions, as consumers often seek items that resonate with their personal values and preferences. Functionality is another key factor that contributes to wood's widespread use in furniture production. Wood is a sturdy and durable material, capable of withstanding the rigors of everyday use. It can be crafted into various forms and designs, allowing for versatility in furniture styles and purposes. Whether it's a robust dining table that withstands family gatherings or a delicate side table that complements a living room, wood can be tailored to meet a multitude of needs. This adaptability makes it an ideal choice for both functional and decorative pieces, enabling it to occupy a central role in home furnishings. The craftsmanship associated with wooden furniture also enhances its appeal. Skilled artisans and manufacturers employ traditional techniques that have been refined over generations, resulting in high-quality pieces that showcase meticulous attention to detail. The process of working with wood involves a deep understanding of the material's properties, allowing craftsmen to create durable and aesthetically pleasing furniture. This level of craftsmanship fosters a sense of appreciation for the work involved, encouraging consumers to value quality over quantity. Sustainability is an increasingly important consideration in today's consumer landscape. And wood is often viewed as an environmentally friendly choice. When sourced responsibly, wood can be a renewable resource, especially when harvested from sustainably managed forests. The ability to replenish wood resources through careful forestry practices aligns with a growing consumer preference for sustainable products. Moreover, wood has a lower carbon footprint compared to many synthetic materials, as it absorbs carbon dioxide during its growth and continues to store carbon even after being processed into furniture. This environmental aspect appeals to consumers who are conscious of their ecological impact and seek to make responsible purchasing decisions. In contrast, many synthetic materials used in furniture production, such as plastics and composites, have a more significant environmental impact. The production processes for these materials often involve fossil fuels, leading to higher emissions and pollution. As awareness of environmental issues grows, consumers are increasingly inclined to choose wood over synthetic alternatives, further solidifying its place as the preferred material for furniture. The cultural significance of wood also plays a crucial role in its widespread use. Throughout history, wood has been a primary building material for various civilizations, symbolizing strength, stability, and permanence. Many cultures have developed rich traditions of woodworking, resulting in unique styles and techniques that reflect local aesthetics and values. This historical connection adds depth to the appreciation of wooden furniture, as it carries the weight of cultural heritage and craftsmanship. In many parts of the world, wooden furniture is viewed as a symbol of quality and longevity. Well-crafted wooden pieces can last for generations, often becoming family heirlooms passed down from one generation to the next. This durability enhances the emotional value of wooden furniture, as it represents shared memories and experiences. Consumers are often willing to invest in high-quality wooden pieces, knowing they can be enjoyed for years to come, making them a worthwhile addition to any home. The versatility of wood extends beyond its aesthetic and functional qualities. It can be easily modified, finished, or painted to suit individual preferences, allowing for a high degree of customization. This adaptability enables consumers to personalize their furniture to align with their style and decor choices. Additionally, wood can be combined with other materials, such as metal or glass, creating hybrid designs that enhance both functionality and visual appeal. This fusion of materials has led to innovative furniture designs that cater to modern tastes while maintaining the timeless charm of wood. Wood's acoustic properties also contribute to its desirability as a furniture material. Unlike many synthetic materials, wood can absorb sound and reduce noise levels in a space, promoting a more serene environment. This characteristic is particularly beneficial in open-plan living areas, where sound can easily travel. The natural ability of wood to create a quieter atmosphere enhances the overall comfort of a home, making it a practical choice for furniture in various settings. The perceived value of wooden furniture is often higher than that of alternatives made from synthetic materials. This perception stems from the craftsmanship involved in producing high-quality wooden pieces, as well as the inherent qualities of wood itself. Consumers are often willing to pay a premium for well-crafted wooden furniture, viewing it as an investment rather than a mere purchase. This willingness to invest in quality pieces reflects a broader trend toward valuing durability and timeless design over disposable, mass-produced items. In addition to its practical and aesthetic benefits, wood also carries a sense of nostalgia and tradition. Many people have fond memories of family gatherings around wooden dining tables or relaxing on wooden furniture in their childhood homes. These associations create an emotional connection to wood that transcends its functional role. For many consumers, choosing wooden furniture is not just about the item itself. It's about preserving memories and creating new ones in their own homes. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to transform your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.